People don't actually want to be rich. They want to be free. Free from alarms, from deadlines, from constantly checking their balance. Free from trading time for money. The problem is, most people try to buy freedom by chasing higher income. But freedom isn't something you buy when you finally earn enough. It's something you build, step by step, no matter what you earn. In this video, I'll show you the 5 steps anyone can follow to quietly buy their freedom without waiting for a miracle salary. Step 1. Do ATM audit. Freedom isn't bought with money. It's bought with time. Every day you're spending hours the way others spend cash, without realizing where it goes. You check your phone for 5 minutes, scroll for 20, answer emails for an hour, and wonder why you're always exhausted but never fulfilled. If you tracked your time the way you track your expenses, you'd be shocked at how much you lose every single day. Do a 2-day time audit. For every hour, write what you did. By the end, you'll see exactly who's stealing your freedom, your habits, your distractions, or your routines. You can't buy freedom until you know who's stealing it. Step 2. Build your cash flow gap. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a gap problem. Freedom begins the moment there's space between what you earn and what you spend. If your income is $3,000 and you spend $2,950, you're trapped. If you earn $2,000 and spend $1,500, you're already freer than most. That gap, no matter how small, is your escape route. It's the oxygen. Your future needs to breathe. Don't chase higher income before mastering your expenses. You can't control $1,000. You won't magically control $10,000. Make your first goal to create a gap. Even $50 is a start, because no gap means no freedom. Step 3. Automate wealth. Humans are emotional. Money isn't. So stop relying on willpower to build wealth. Every time you say, "I'll save later," your emotions win. Every time you automate it, your system wins. Set up automatic transfers. 10% to savings, 10% to investments. Whatever's left is what you live on. You'll be shocked how fast progress happens when you remove your emotions from the equation. Think of automation as invisible discipline. It does the work even when you don't feel like it. You don't build wealth with motivation. You build it with systems. When you automate your finances, you buy peace of mind, and that's priceless. Step 4. Defend your lifestyle. Here's where almost everyone fails. Lifestyle creep is silent. You get a raise, and suddenly you deserve nicer things. A bigger car, a bigger apartment, a better phone. But what you're really buying isn't comfort. It's commitment. Every upgrade adds another chain to your freedom. When your income grows, upgrade your future, not your lifestyle. Ask yourself every time, will this make my life lighter or heavier? Freedom grows when your desires shrink, not the other way around. Step 5. Know your freedom number. Most people chase random goals, $1 million, a luxury car, a dream home. But none of those mean freedom, unless they cover your real cost of living. Your freedom number equals your monthly expenses times a comfort factor. For most people, that's around 1.3 to 1.5. If your expenses are $3,000, you don't need $10 million to be free. You need $3,900 a month in passive income. Once you know that number, you stop guessing, you stop chasing, and you start building toward a real target. Freedom stops being a fantasy. It becomes math. Freedom isn't about escaping work. It's about building a life where work is a choice, not a requirement. You don't need luck, or a perfect career, or a sudden windfall. You need clarity, discipline, and patience. Follow these 5 steps, and every month, your freedom quietly grows behind the scenes. Because the richest feeling in the world isn't having millions in your account. It's waking up and realizing you own your time,